कि मेरा है. Then he was very much aligned to Amal and the other boy Abhishek, and all these boys were ganging up together.
Yeah, but how you liking Amal's?
Initially 4-5 days I loved him because he was really outlandish and hitting out as much as he can. He sobered down the last video because Salman fired him. But still again, Big Boss House does not survive unless there is a story in it. The woman उसने जो कोनिका जी ने उनको बोला कि तेरे घर में तेरे को कोई संस्कार नहीं सिखाएगा ये देखा. It's a fact when these people are very very big in these communities. The woman are only वो जो बड़ा famous dialogue है साहिब बीवी गुलाम का. I came up very very insecure and very scared
हाँ.
to. But there was something in us, me and Anu, especially, that everything was going on fine. Then I just left it. I just didn't want to do it. I said no. I just don't know. I didn't like the behavior of the producer at that time. He said, I don't want it beyond to be friendship. But Big Boss is looking at something that can go into an intense relationship. That other girl also see that the boy told her, no, I was just fooling her. Bashir and Farhana. It was looking to be a love story. For some minutes the camera was capturing it.
But I felt that it was a planned. पहले लड़ाई कर लिया. I
नहीं,
felt.
उन लोग ने प्लान नहीं किया. अंदर अंदर यहाँ ये दो प्लान कर सकते हैं. बिग बॉस प्लान नहीं करता.
नहीं एग्जैक्टली मैं कह रही हूँ, ये लोग बाहर
तो
से
बोला
प्लान करके आए.
उससे बोला कि मेरा प्लान था कि इसको सॉफ्टन कैसे करना है. तो इसको सॉफ्टन खाली प्यार से किया जा सकता है. नहीं तो ये तो मेरे पे चढ़ गई है. तो इसको प्यार व्यार से पटा के उसने सॉफ्टन कर दिया. फिर बाद में जब बिग बॉस से पूछा तो उसने बता दिया नहीं मेरा कोई ऐसा इंटेंशन है. दैट इज एन हर्टिंग थिंग फॉर अ वुमन. यू कुड सी दैट हर्ट ऑन Farhana's face. Slight hurt was there. So she was there. But he didn't lead her along too much. थोड़ा करके उसने छोड़ दिया so that she realized कि मेरा है. Then he was very much aligned to Amal and the other boy Abhishek, and all these boys were ganging up together.
Yeah, but how you liking Amal's?
Initially 4-5 days I loved him because he was really outlandish and hitting out as much as he can. He sobered down the last video because Salman fired him. And I think he's understood now and he's getting into his zone. And I think Big Boss also wants somebody who's holding the go steadily. Him, Gaurav, they're just lying like that and holding the game to they're handling it. And I think somewhere down the line you need such people also who, when these other people steam dies down, then these people come into their own.
Yeah.
And something comes out of it.
Yeah.
But still again, Big Boss House does not survive unless there is a story in it.
Correct.
That girl Tanya Mittal can be a story. But
she
you need
is a story,
yeah,
sir, now.
but she needs somebody to actually hit at her. They are
She's
too
trying
wary.
that, no?
They are wary of her. No boy is hitting at her. No boy is actually going out and touching that portion at all. Because firstly, because they are a little wary about. They say that she's very big, and she's very rich, and all.
Yeah.
And these boys belong to mediocre setups, you know. They are people who are, and it's a fact also because you talk about Mittals and Guptas and Agarwals and all. They don't indulge in things outside the community as such. And the woman उसने जो कोनिका जी ने उनको बोला कि तेरे घर में तेरे को कोई संस्कार नहीं सिखाएगा ये देखा. It's a fact when these people are very very big in these communities. The woman are only वो जो बड़ा famous dialogue है साहिब बीवी गुलाम का. जेवर बनाओ जेवर तोड़ो और तुम्हारा को काम क्या है.
हाँ, correct.
या वो ये हो जाता है. They are in charge of the kids जिनके लिए servants होते हैं और जेवर बनाओ जेवर तोड़ो का चक्कर हो जाता है. Their time is visiting jewelry shop, gathering the money that they have given, which has to be solidified in the form of gold and making the strength of the family stronger. This Baniya community basically is very strong in India as such, and they are financially also very big. So if that is the case, then she belongs to that background. So I don't think a story is coming out there. But if it does come out and something does happen, it could become a very entertaining picture in watching Big Boss. But she has a sweet face. But she's a very little odd also at times. थोड़ा अजीब भी है.
But आपका favorite कौन है अभी?
I don't have a set favorite. It keeps on shifting. Someday Bashir is there, someday Tanya is there, someday Amal is there, someday that Who is there? One more. That even that girl is very good.
निहल
No, the Farhana.
फरहाना
मैंने सोचा था इसका कुछ होगा. फिर then become too boyish and too outlandish. और अब तो खूब खूब झगड़े हो रहे हैं अंदर.
हाँ and I think they are very active.
कोनिका जी,
कुनिका जी,
who is at this very active inside. She's really hitting out at all of them.
all of them.
And I
yeah,
think she's a perfect foil for everybody. I think she's going to have a long stay in the
long
house.
stay. Yeah.
Because Big Boss also wants some kind of control.
I think Awais and Nagma has been a bit slow.
You just don't know with them, huh? That boy is sensible. That girl is actually not doing anything.
Yeah, now
The boy has
Nagma is
moved
not
out.
doing.
Come into his own.
Yeah.
The boy is commenting, talking. The girl is just still quiet.
Let's see coming weeks.
She's just
If
quiet.
they are there then.
इसे मैंने सुना कोई एंगेजमेंट में कर रहे थे हाउस के अंदर.
हाँ कर लिया उन्होंने.
हो गया
हो
एंगेजमेंट?
गया, प्रपोज किया उसको.
कभी?
अभी लास्ट 2 दिन पहले ही किया.
वो मैंने बाई चांस एपिसोड नहीं देखा शायद.
अच्छा.
या पोर्शन वो मिस कर दिया होगा.
हाँ ये फ्राइडे का है. फ्राइडे या थर्सडे का है.
तो फिर उनकी स्टोरी कंप्लीट हो गई है. अभी 2 लोग जाएंगे इस वीक.
और ये पहले से ही थे ना कपल्स तो.
हाँ,
something
अभी ये
like
दो लोग इस हफ्ते जाएंगे.
that.
2 people will go.
And
from the
2
house.
will come inside.
2 will come
2
inside
more will come inside.
to add a little fuel to the fire.
Yeah. I think there was a chance of Tanya Mittal's ex,
Oh,
Balraj. Yeah.
Who's he?
There's any chances of. He's a podcaster, writer, poet.
where is he from?
He's from UP only. बट सर आपने एक चीज़ देखा है सब कुछ सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला का नाम लेकर मेक श्योर करते हैं गेम में उनका नाम लेकर खेला जाए.
There is nobody like him.
नहीं देयर वाज
nobody
बसीर
like
हु वाज
him.
सेइंग दैट जो सिद्धार्थ किसी ने टैग दिया कि सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला बनने की कोशिश कर रहा है.
Yeah, but you can't have a Siddharth Shukla in any of the guys. पहले तो गौरव का भी नाम बोल रहे थे.
हाँ
गुरदास शुक्ला. कहाँ से यार? Siddharth was a unique personality यार. He had answers for everything. हाजिर जवाब दिल उसके किस तरह से उसका लव अफेयर था उस शो में. कैसे उसने हैंडल किया था उसको. टेमिंग ऑफ द श्रू था वो तो पूरा का पूरा. और फिर हाउ ही हिमसेल्फ इज लाइक अ लायन ऑफ अ ह्यूमन बीइंग. A very close friend of mine. I was very friendly to him. He was saying, "Don't." He said, "Just stick around with me, and I'll see that you are there with me till the end because I'll get bored with these people. I'll die without you." He used to tell me that inside the house, and I went away very early.
wow.
So for that he has regrets. He felt very bad about it. And when he came out, first thing he was get in touch with me, and then we went out together immediately. And then all of them used to come here. Senaz, everybody used to come here. And he's a very fine gentleman. यार. उसका देखते तो क्या शॉक किया था मुझे.
हाँ
Same with Shefali also. Though I was not that much friendly to Shefali, I was very close to Siddharth. To go to his house. Very sad, yeah. So comparing Siddharth to any of these people is weird. No, Big Boss 13 can't be repeated.
true so true.
The story as well, God wrote the script. And he shot it also. But the moments they captured on celluloid are perpetual.
so true.
उसके तो स्क्रिप्ट मैंने तो बोला कमेंट किया. उसके तो स्क्रिप्ट लेके बनानी चाहिए एज अ फैमिली ड्रामा. कुछ ना कुछ तो बनाना चाहिए.
True sir, true.
Very nice. Mixing the real life to what the show was all about. Beautiful.
So true. So coming back to your life, I want to ask, how was your childhood? How you were connected, you 3 brothers, your mother, your dad, how you guys were?
See, we came from very poor upbringings.
Acha.
And I came up very, very insecure. Very insecure and very scared.
हाँ.
But there was something in us, me and Anu especially, that we have to do things on ourselves. So when a young child is burdened with responsibility and things were hitting us at the kitchen level. Life level to दूसरी है. Kitchen level पे when things hurt you, your psyche gets disturbed. So we didn't let the psyche get disturbed. We used to get the things. Anu was crazy about his music in the younger days of 30. And I used to go around working, getting the money at home. Somehow or the other. So that mom could cook and things would happen. Though you won't believe this, they're living at Jew. And we had a roof over our heads. That was very God's gift kindness. And balance, there was nothing how to run it. That was a nice chap, but he was a person struggling in the work that he was doing. So there was just no way. There were many of those genre of musicians in those areas. Ghulam Muhammad, very people who compose music for Pakiza and other top composers struggling for food in India. There was Sajjad, there were all the people in that era were just struggling to survive. Somehow get a penny back home. And in those circumstances, I used to work in some stores as a designer, as a cloth maker. I just knew anything creative used to come to me easily. So people used to come after me for it. So that way I used to manage to etch out a living for myself. In the evening I used to go and sing in somewhere in some hotels and things like that. So I don't recall happy moments in my childhood. But when I stepped into college, I had a group of very big friends.
Acha.
That includes, they were one of the rich, and they are still one of the biggest people in the country today. There was Sunny Deol,
Sunny Deol,
Yeah.
I read somewhere today
Kareem
about
Murani,
you. And
Vinod Goenka, Alok Agarwal, then Firoz Khan who did that Mughal Azam show. We all became in a thick clan of our own, 5, 6 boys. But all I realized in that circumstance in those years, they used to help me in setting up my work. They had shops, so I used to give in the job of a salesman, so that I could earn. And in the evening, all of them party together. But then I realized that there were things that I could not do if I did not do something for myself. And nobody is going to help me for it. So I started using my own mind. And that's when I took my steps towards show business and others. I started being and going to Kalaniketan and other places, getting money for doing shows, live shows in halls like Bhaidas Hall. And I just kept on doing something that generate money for me. And kept on. So that thing translated into bigger things. And soon I was doing live shows. First I did a film production called Zordar with Govinda, Aditya Bancholi, etc.
Yeah.
By the time I was old enough, 25 I had become. So the journey from 15 to 25, though there were parties around, but एहसास कमतरी बहुत थी कि we are nobodies. We are just hanger-ons to some rich people or rich kids. वो बात समझ आती है. I think anybody would. Even you are hanging around people and you are having a background where your parents are really on the verge of extinction as such if you don't take care. So at the back of the mind you are wondering how to get this structure changed, what to do. So it took me time, it took me a lot of years. Anu was establishing himself slowly. By 91 or 92, Anu was established as a firm, big music director. Things had improved in the house, but the brothers, all the other brothers were struggling.